So, chapter 3, recording of business transaction, that is part 1. So, in accounts, after learning the theory concept, that is theory based accounting, recording of business transactions. So, all the cash and credit transactions we have to record. So, first, a book, the primary book is a journal here. The word journal is derived from the French word is jour, which means a day. Therefore, journal means a daily recorded. Journal is a book in which day to day transactions are recorded in a chronological order. So, journal is a day book where a business people, where the accountant will record all the day to day transactions. So, is a day book, is a day book. So, all cash transactions and credit transactions are recorded in the journal. So, journal is the first primary book of accounting. See, journal is a very important concept in fundamentals. Even the accounting cycle. Accounting cycle start with the business transaction, then journal, ledger, subsidiary books, trial balance and a financial statement. So, journal is the main and first primary book. So, this journal we have to follow the principles here. So, that is journal entries. How to pass the journal entries? I will show you in the next video. So, in this video, I will explain you only the theory concept. Next, features of a journal. It is a book of prime first or original entry. So, in accounts, first book where the accountant will record, that is in the journal. It is a first and a primary book, and it is an original entry. So, whatever the business transactions has done by the owner, by the businessman, all those transactions we are going to record in the journal. Next, it contains records of everyday transactions. So, it means on daily basis, will maintain the transactions in the journal. So, journal, all day-to-day transactions, cash transactions or credit transactions are records. So, that it can be help for the accountant to check a day-to-day transactions. It shows both the aspects of each transactions. So, it means it shows both debit and credit aspects of transactions. So, the debit equal to credit and credit equal to debit, that is accounting equations concept. Both the aspects of transactions are recorded. Next, it is only a subsidiary book. It means with the help of a journal, you can't ascertain, you can't find out the profit here, because it is only a subsidiary book. We can check a day-to-day transaction. Next, it provides a brief explanation, that is narration of each entry. So with the help of a journal, we can check the detail about the entry. So entry, what is entry? What we are going to pass, that is in the journal. Example, started business with cash. So two accounts are involved. Cash is debited and capital is credited. So that is entry. Cash account debit to capital account. So that entry, it will provide the explanation, that is owner started his business with cash. So that and all we can understand in the second video. So I will show you what exact entry. Next, the transactions are recorded in the chronological order, that is in order in which they can take place. So chronological order means the step by step, on day by day the transactions will record it. For example, in the month of March, so we have started recording journal. So from March 1st, we are going to record on a chronological order up to 31st March. Next, needs, importance, uses, advantages or merits of a journal. It provides data-wise records of all transactions. This facilitates quick and easily reference of any transactions. So to rectify any accounts in to rectify any corrections or rectification of any errors, so that can be done with the help of a journal only. For any mistakes done by the accountant, that can be checked with the help of a journal only. So with the help of journal, as a accountant easily he can check the transactions, how they are recorded, whether they are recorded as per the principles or not. So it provides data-wise records of all transactions. So data-wise means monthly records or weekly records or daily records. So that can be done easily with the help of a journal. Next, it provides complete records of all transactions at one place. So in journal, all types of transaction like purchase, sales, payment, receipts, all transactions can be done in the journal. With the help of journal, we can check all the the transactions what a business has made, and it provide all the records of all the transactions, that is in one place in a journal. Next, by providing narration to each entry, journal helps to understand the purpose of nature of the entry. So after passing the entry, for each entry, a journal will give the narration. Narration means the explanation of the entry. For what purpose we have passed the entry, so that narration giving the explanation of the entry. So with the help of this, easily we can understand the entry for what purpose we have passed. Next, it avoids necessity of making entries in the ledger immediately. When journal maintain entry in the journal can be posted to the help to avoid mistake or errors in the books of accounts. So here the posting here. The journal is the primary entry, that is the primary book. With the help of journal only, we can prepare easily ledgers. Ledger means the separate accounts are maintained to know the individual balance. For example, how much you have cash and how much you have paid the cash, or purchases, how much you have made the purchases, cash purchases, how much you have made, so credit purchase, how much you have made. So that can be ascertained with the help of opening the ledger accounts only. So ledger accounts, if you are preparing with the help of journal, you won't get any mistakes or errors in the books. So, journal to ledger, that is posting. At the time of posting, if you are doing posting with the help of journal, so definitely you won't get any mistakes in the ledger accounts. Next, it is necessary for recording the opening entry, closing entry and adjustment entry. Journal, simple journal, compound journal, opening entry, closing entry, all entries we can pass in the journal. So the types of journal, we can pass simple entry, double compound entry, closing entry, opening entry, adjustment entry. So while doing the problems, I will show you with example what is simple entry, compound entry, opening entry, closing entry and adjusting entry. Next, it also useful for the rectification of errors. If accounts will not tally, that is trial balance or ledgers, if it is not tallied, so that errors we can find out easily and we can rectify those errors with the help of a journal. Meaning of narration. Narration means is an explanation about the entry. Narration refers to the brief explanation should be given as to why one account is debited and another account is credited. So this explanation to the journal entries is called a narration. See what entry we have passed. For that entry, a journal will provide the narration, that is explanation, why we have passed this entry, why so and so account is debited and credited. For each entry, there will be a narration, that is explanation about the entry. Next, meaning of journalizing. Journalizing refers to the recording business transaction in the journal is called as journalizing. First, before entering the transactions into journal, already I explained you how to analyze the transaction, how to classify the accounts under English system and American system. After knowing, analyzing, next classifying and finding a debit and credit. So once if you confirm debit and credit, the same we are going to record in a journal. So that is journalizing. So refers to the recording business transaction in the journal is called as a journalizing. So recording in the journal, that is journalizing. Next, meaning of ledger folio. Ledger folio means short L/F, that is ledger folio. A column used for recording the page number of the ledger to which the journal entry is transferred. So here in this column we can shows the page number of the ledger. Next, types of journal. simple journal. Simple journal entry is an entry for transaction being debited, another account being credited is called as a simple journal entry. In simple journal entry, one item will be debited and another item is credited. That is simple journal entry. For example, purchase goods for cash. So in this transaction, two accounts are involved, purchases account and cash account. Purchases is debited, what comes in? Purchases account debit to cash account. So this is the example for a simple journal entry. Next, compound journal entry. A compound journal entry is an entry for transaction with one or two accounts being debited and another is credited. So compound entry. So in this entry, two items are debited or they credited. So those entries we can call as a compound entry. For example, started a business with cash and buildings. So owner is starting his business with the help of cash and building. So he is introducing two assets into the business. First in the form of cash and another in the form of building. So the entry cash account is debited, cash account debit, building account debit. So two items debited. So that is compound entry. Cash account debit, building account debit. So two capital account. So once if you know the practical, easily we can know a simple entry and a compound entry. Along with this, we have the types of entries, that is opening entry, closing entry. So that and all we are going to learn in +2. So this is the format of a journal. So first a date column. So in date column you are going to enter the date, that is a transactions date. Particulars, in this column you are going to write about the details about the transactions, that is we are going to pause the entry here. Ledger folio, that is the page number of the ledger. Debit, that is rupees column, and credit, that is rupees column. For each transactions, you will get both the aspects of transactions, that is debit and credit. So this is the format of a journal. So in next video class, I will show you how to pass the journal entries, that is journalizing the transactions. So before passing the journal entries, for +1 student, whoever is learning the fundamentals, first you have to watch the video classes, that is how to analyze the transactions, how to find out debit and credit under English system of accounting and under American system of accounting. So that concept, it will help in the journal.